Justice, them dead when we bust this.
Justice sound. They all businessman.
Justice is greater than the law. If justice was not included in the law, then the law would be of no use to us as human beings. I ask no mercy. I ask no sympathy. I ask for justice. You may condemn the body, but not the soul. God condemns the soul. Judge me, and God will judge you. I know, and I know you too believe in time, but we shall wait patiently for 200 years if need be to face our enemies through our posterity. In life or death I shall come back to serve, even as I served before. In life I shall be the same. In death I shall be a terror to the foes of African liberty. If death has power, then count on me to be the real Marcus Garvey I would like to be. If I may come in an earthquake or a cyclone or a plague or pestilence or as God would have me, then be assured that I shall never desert you and make your enemies triumph over you. Justice is greater than the law. Look for me in the world when there are a storm. Look for me all around you. For I shall come back and bring with me countless millions of black slaves who have died in America, who have died in the West Indies, and millions who have died in Africa to aid you in the fight for liberty, freedom. I know that there are certain people who do not like me because I am black. You can enslave, as was done for 300 years, the bodies of men. You can shackle the hands of men. You can shackle the feet of men. You can imprison the bodies of men. But you cannot shackle or imprison the minds of men.
Justice, I'm gonna tell them so the big son.
Justice, them dead when we bust this.
I would never give the power to a bald head. Run, come, crucify the dread. Time alone, oh, time will tell. Think you're in heaven, but you're living in hell. Think you're in heaven, but you're living in hell. Think you're in heaven, but you're living in hell. Time alone, oh, time will tell.
My people, listen carefully to reality. Yeah. Ooh, yes, I choose. I choose. I choose. I choose. Not you. We got to know what we're living for, and we got to know what we're loving for. We got to know who we're praying to, and we got to know what we're singing for. We got to know who we're playing with, and we got to know what we're working for. We got to know who we're talking to, and we got to know what we're listening for. Yes, we got to know what we're riding for, and we got to know what we're dancing for. Yes, we got to know what we're striving for. Well, I choose the truth. I choose the truth to enter the
much easier.
Just a little bit easier.
Say you just can't live that negative way. If you know what I mean, make way for the positive day. 'Cause it's news and days, new time. And if it's a new feeling, look here, said it's a new science. Oh, what a new day. Picking up. Are you picking up now? Jah love,
Protect us.
Jah love,
Protect us.
Oh, well now. Hey. Well, the promised land. Going to the promised land. Yes, the promised land. Oh gosh, now to the promised land. Well, make a step down to Asmara. Then we stopped in Addis Ababa. Made our way to Shashamani land. Riding on the King's Highway to the promised land. Going to the promised land. Oh gosh, to the promised land. Oh, to the promised land. Well, there's plenty of land for you and I, by and by. Lots of food to share for everyone. No time for segregation in the promised land. Oh gosh, take me to the promised land. It's the promised land, oh, it's the promised land.
Justice, I'm telling you,
Yeah. Said we're riding on the King's Highway from Cairo to Kenya. Made a stop in Asmara, then we made another one in Addis Ababa, the promised land. Over to the promised land. Oh gosh, save the promised land. Yeah, I'm the promised land. Oh.
Africa unite, 'cause we're moving right out of Babylon, and we're going to our father's land. Yeah. How good and how pleasant it would be before God and man, yeah, to see the unification of all Africans, yeah. Has it been said already? Let it be done, yeah. We are the children of the Rasta man. We are the children of the Maya man. Africa unite, 'cause the children wanna come home, yeah. Africa unite, 'cause we're moving right out of Babylon, and we're grooving to our father's land.
Gotta help our brothers one by one, two by two, in the system. Oh yeah, now see, I'm sure my days will be long and my nights won't be few. Through the visions that's in me, I can see clearly where there is gonna be peace, love and harmony, black understanding among my people. Oh yes, among my people. They're gonna jump and shout, black liberation, they are.
Justice,
Oh, they are. won't be long and my nights won't be few. Through the visions that's in me, I can see clearly where there is gonna be peace, love and harmony, black understanding among my people. Oh yes, among my people. They're gonna jump and shout, black liberation day. Oh yes, we're gonna sing and shout, the right understanding day. Oh yes, we're gonna jump and shout, black liberation day. Oh yes, we're gonna sing and shout, the right understanding day. Oh yes, men and people will try to cut you down, trying their very best to rearrange you. But no matter what they do, they won't conquer you, matter what they do. Oh no, we're gonna free our brother. We're gonna free our brother. We're gonna help our brother. We're gonna love our sister. Then we're gonna jump and shout, black liberation day. Oh yes, we're gonna sing and shout, the right understanding day. Oh yes, we're gonna jump and shout, black liberation day. Oh yes, we're gonna sing and shout, the right understanding day. Oh yes.
Bongo man, don't give up. Congo man, live up. Bingy man, don't give up. Keep your culture. Don't be afraid of the vulture. Grow your dreadlocks. Don't be afraid of the wolf pack.
Justice sound.
But someone live up. Bongo man, don't give up. Congo man, live up. Bingy man, don't give up. Keep your culture. Don't be afraid of the vulture. Grow your dreadlocks. Don't be afraid of the wolf pack. Rasta man, live up. Bingy man, don't give up. Congo man, live up. Yeah. Bongo man, don't give up. David slew Goliath with the sling and the stone. Samson slew the Philistines with the donkey jawbone. I am a liver. Rasta man, don't give up.
Oh yeah now. Ooh yeah now. Oh yeah.
burn down Babylon one more time. Come we go chant down Babylon one more time. For them soft, yes them soft. Them soft, yes them soft. So come we go chant down Babylon one more time. Men see their dreams and aspiration crumble in front of their face, and all of their wicked intention to destroy the human race. How don't you know? And how I know, and that's how I know. A reggae music, come to chant down Babylon. The music, come to chant down Babylon. This music, come to chant down Babylon. This music, come to chant down Babylon. Come we go chant down Babylon one more time. Come we go chant down Babylon one more time. For them soft, yes them soft, them soft. They say them soft. So come we go chant down Babylon one more time. You say, music you're the key. Talk to, please talk to me. Bring a voice up to Rastaman, communicating to catering to everyone. How I know, and that's how I know. A reggae music, chant down Babylon, chant down Babylon, chant down Babylon, chant down Babylon. Reggae music. Chase those crazy ballets out of town. Chase those crazy ballets out of a town. I and I build the cabin. I and I plant the corn. Didn't my people before me slave for this country? Now you look with that scorn, then you heat up all my corn. We're gonna chase those crazy, chase down crazy, chase those crazy ballets out of town. Still a little bit, still stop, still till you don't stop, still let up body let it. Start a little. Build your penitentiaries, we build your schools, brainwash education to make us the fools. Hatred you reward for
much wagonist, too much antagonist. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd.
Justice sound.
Yeah.
They all business, man.
Come along, yeah, and dig my song. Too much wagonist, too much antagonist. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yes, wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yeah, too much informers, too much steel bearers, too much informers, too much steel bearers. Time to separate the sheep from the wolves. We're at the crossroads, and this is the time of decision. Too much informers, too much steel bearers, too much informers, too much steel bearers. Yeah. Whoa, yeah.
Now you get what you want. Do you want more? Now you get what you want. Do you want more? You think it's the end, but it's just the beginning. You think it's the end, but it's just the beginning. Go down, backbiter, down, backbiter, down, backbiter, down, backbiter. Go down, backbiter, down, backbiter, down, backbiter, down, backbiter. Let's have you in a bag, and they claim that you're not looking, but you have them in the region, in the valley of decision. They stab you in the back, and they claim that you're not looking, but you have them in the region, in the valley of decision, in the valley of decision. Go down, backbiter, go down, backbiter.
Now you get what you want, and do you want more?
Now you get what you want, and do you want more? And now you get what you want, do you want more?
All right. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. I've got to get myself together. Yes. Can't afford to let my faith go. You know, whenever the sun comes a shining, and my sisters are all smiling, the one is a dying. My people aren't crying, they are living in the love of the Father, living in the house of the Almighty, yeah, living in the love of the Father, living in the house of the Almighty, yeah.
They all business, man.
All right. Whoa. their leaves are blowing away in the skies. Listen to the birds, how they're singing away their time. Look at the sun, how it shines bright in the skies. Well, all these things were created by the Father. Look at the grass, how it makes your lawns look pretty. Look at the flower, how it makes your gardens look pretty too. Even when you're feeling weary, sad and low, all you got to do is relax and feel the cold wind blow. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, boy, yeah. What a beautiful scene, yeah. Look at the trees, how their leaves are blowing away in the skies. Listen to the birds, how they're singing away their time. Look at the sun, how it shines bright in the skies. Well, all these things were created by the Father. Look at the grass.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause
and sing the dark sayings of old. Doth not wisdom and knowledge stretch forth her hands? Unto you, O children, I cry. All the words of my mouth speak righteousness. All the days of my life will tell. Take heed of the works of Jehovah, or man you will surely fail. Oh yeah, now, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. In laughter the heart is sorrowful. Your folly is your reward. Better a dinner of herb where love is than feasting where there is wrath. All the words of our mouth speak righteousness. All the days of our life will tell. Take heed of the works of Jehovah. Amen, you will surely fail. Oh yeah, nah, nah. Oh yeah. Upright, for this is the time that will tell, when the righteous ones shall stand up strong. Oh, why did the heathen rage? All the words of thy mouth speak righteousness. All the days of our life will tell. Take heed of the works of Jehovah, or man you will surely fail. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah, said you will surely fail.
So unjust, children, you don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend, and your best friend, your worst enemy. Some will eat and drink with you.
Love and hate can never be friends. Oh no, oh no. I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of my life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there'll come the day when you'll be whipped by the father's hand. Give up your children. Oh yeah. Leave up past the children. Yeah. My head is anointed and my cup runneth over. Yeah. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of my life. Yeah. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah. All right. Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there'll come the day when you'll be whipped by the Father's hand. Live up good children. Oh yeah. Live up good children. Oh yeah.
Justice.
You're too
Them
rude.
dead when we busted.
Hey. Oh, what a rat race. Oh, what a rat race. Oh, what a rat race. This is the rat race. Rat race. Rat race. A summer love summer, a summer boss son, a summer jack sitter. Oh, what a rat race. Yeah. Rat race. A summer gorgon, a summer hooligan, a summer guinea dogger. In this year rat race, yeah. Rat race. I'm singing that when the cat's away, the mice will play. Political violence fill your city, yeah. Don't involve Rasta in your say. Rasta don't work for no CIA. Rat race. Rat race. Rat race. Yeah. Rat race. I'm saying when you think it's peace and safety, a sudden destruction. Collective security for surety, yeah.
Justice song. They all business, man.
You're too rude. Hey. Oh, what a rat race. Oh, what a rat race. Oh, what a rat race. This is the rat race. Rat race. Rat race. A summer love summer, a summer boss son, a summer jack sitter. Oh, what a rat race. Yeah. Rat race. A summer gorgon, a summer hooligan, a summer guinea dogger. In this year rat race, yeah. Rat race. I'm singing that when the cat's away, the mice will play. Political violence fill curiosity, yeah. Don't involve Rasta in your say. Rasta don't work for no CIA. Rat race, rat race, rat race, rat race. I'm saying, when you think it's peace and safety, a sudden destruction, collective security for surety, yeah. Don't forget your history, know your destiny. In the abundance of water, the food is thirsty. Rat race, rat race, rat race.
Oh, now. I say, oh, now. I say, oh, now. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Stop your fussing and the fighting, brothers. A chain is as strong as its weakest link. Each one is brother's keeper. I say unity is the foundation of survival. Got to let your love come shining through. See, stop your fussing and the fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting the sisters. Oh, now. Stop your fussing and the fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Why lose your soul because of folly? Leaving behind your woman and baby, allowing them to face the judgment of the world. Man, woman, boys and girls. Yeah. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Say stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Oh, yeah. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Oh, now. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Yeah.
Until the philosophy which hold one race superior and another inferior is finally and permanently discredited and abandoned. Everywhere is war. It's a war.
Justice sound. They all business, man.
Until the philosophy which hold one race superior and another inferior is finally and permanently discredited and abandoned. Everywhere is war. It's a war that until they're no longer first class and second class citizens of any nation, until the color of a man's skin is of no more significance than the color of his eyes. Miss a war that until the basic human rights are equally guaranteed to all without regard to race. This a war that until that day the dream of lasting peace illusion to be pursued, but never attained. Now everywhere is war, war, and until the ignoble and unhappy regime that hold our brothers in Angola, in Mozambique, South Africa, subhuman bondage have been toppled, utterly destroyed. Well, everywhere is war. Me say war. War in the east, war in the west, war up north, war down south, war, war.
man is moving onward as time moves on. But you have hated yourselves as you have done in previous years. You have shown malice, prejudice, and hate to each other. And the result is that while other races have made progress, while the whole world has made progress in man's accomplishments, you still stand fighting yourselves, dishonoring yourselves, showing no disposition toward that higher life so that you will be abundantly blessed. I hope that you will so reflect and think that you were created for some purpose other than exhibiting malice toward your neighbor or fellow men of your own race. What a pity it is that we cannot stand united without a written law. There is no written law compelling other races to stand together. They are brought together by the gentle touch of nature. But with a black man, you can preach to him from the pulpits. You lecture from the platforms, from the byways and the hedges. The spirit of cooperation, but he will not cooperate. You talk to him gently, you try talking harshly to him, he still will not cooperate. The result is that he falls prey to those who understand themselves and walk through the world making you their serfs and slaves. You must acquire an understanding of yourselves. Black men, and what is wrong with you? Why have you no affection for yourselves? Could I hope to see you living among yourselves as the people I've spoken of? Living in charity, love, and in sympathy with each other? It can be done. I wonder if you will adapt that course. Isn't it easier to enjoy prosperity than to live in ignorance and darkness? Why select the worst out of nature? Nature never gave pain, suffering, and death to the world. It was man himself who selected death, pain, and sorrow. I wonder if I cannot inspire you to select between good and evil. Let me impress upon you once again that whatsoever your hardships may be, whatsoever your difficulties in life, they are your own selection. And so if you encourage them, if you husband them and take them to your bosom, they will abide with you. Nature will not take them away from you as Mother Nature did not give them to you. She is not responsible for your sorrows. Mother Nature represents all that is beautiful. She gave you the highest personality in the realm divine. Your sorrows are your own. If you want joy, if you want sunshine, it is before you abundantly in nature. I made a selection of sunshine, the beautiful sunshine. I made a selection to laugh with the moon, to laugh with the stars, and sing with the birds of the forest and of the wilderness, to join in the rhythmic music of the winds that sing from east to west and from north to south. Had I selected sorrow, I would have been dead a long time ago and been without that which would send me into the presence of the divine, because I would have lived not with the knowledge that is divine. We must acquire the higher knowledge of life.
Justice, them dead when we bust this.
He's got a job to do, and he's got to fulfill that mission. Yeah. To see his hurt will be their greatest ambition. Yeah. But we will survive in this world of competition. 'Cause no matter what they do, that you keep on coming through. And no matter what they say, tragedy they every day. Anti-dread rise again. Through the mystics of tomorrow, anti-dread rise again. Have no fear, have no sorrow. Yeah, all in all you see I want is the fight against the Rasta man. That's how they build a world in great confusion. The forcing us the devil's illusion. But the stone that the builder refused shall be the head cornerstone.
on. Coming on. The prophet rides again. The prophet rides again. Oh yeah. The prophet rides again. Oh yeah. The prophet rides again. Well, when the children were beaten and weary, yeah. Then you taught us to fight all our enemies. Took us through life's tribulation road. Yeah. Before us you made all the mysteries unfold. So I know he rides again. Oh yeah. Our prophet rides again. Oh yeah. The prophet rides again. Yeah. The prophet rides again. Oh gosh. Yeah. Oh, why? Oh, now. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Woy-oy, woy-oy, woy-oy. Turn it up. Woy-oy. Feel it in the one drop, and we still find time to rap. We're making the one stop. The generation gap, so feel this something as it meets within, playing a rhythm, resisting against the system.
Just
Ooh-wee. I know Jah never let us down. Pull your rights from wrong.
I know Jah never let us down.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. They made their world so hard. Every day we got to keep on fighting. They made their world so hard. Every day the people are dying. Yeah. For hunger and starvation. Lamentation. But read it in Revelation. You'll find your redemption. And then you give us the teachings of His Majesty. Oh, we no want no devil philosophy. Oh, you can give us the teachings of His Majesty. Oh, we no want no devil philosophy. Feel it in the one drop, and we still find time to rap. We're making the one stop, and we're filling the gap. So feel this drum beat as it beats within, playing a rhythm, fighting against ism and schism, singing. I know Jah never let us down. Pull your rights from wrong. I know Jah never let us down. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I was appointed to say this. My love is mercy. reaching out for the world. His love is pure and true, shining bright as the morning star. Yes, in your time of temptation, don't let the devil lead you to destruction. No, just let your heart be pure and true, and you'll have endless days awaiting you.
Give thanks and praises to the Most High. Give thanks and praises so high. He will not deceive us, my brethren. He will only lead us. Oh, take that veil from off of your eyes. Look into the future of real life. Noah had 3 sons, Ham, Shem, and Japheth. And then Ham is known to be the prophet. Glory to Jah, the prophet is come. Glory to Jah, the prophet has come. When my soul was hurted deep within, and I'm hurrying to be free, desperately, yeah. So guide and protect I and I, oh Jaja, through all these ages. Guide and protect I and I, oh Jaja, through all these stages. Oh, Rasta, alright, easy, yeah. Boy, yeah. Why fools don't know themselves? Yeah, oh. Why fools, yeah, don't know themselves? Yeah, oh. If it's their own mistake, they can't stop to wait to stop and change the time. It's the fulfillingness that is happening now, and it's here for all to see. The time we are living in, yeah, oh, oh, the time, yeah, yeah, we are living in, yeah, oh. Why fools don't know themselves? Yeah, why fools don't know themselves? Yeah,
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
I got tired to see me face. Can't get me out of the race. Oh man, you said I'm in your place, and then you drop back down.
Justice sound. They all businessman.
I got tired to see me face. Can't get me
call the sisters Lego beast, because they're black enough for you to see.
Justice sound. They are
Wherever you are, though you may be far, listen, I am the conqueror, so you must never try to conquer me. Neither should you call the sisters Lego beast, because they're black enough for you to see. Come, let's face reality. Tell me why you deal with brutality. It can't be true when the sisters love. Why you treat them so rough? Yes, oh yes. Cheer up, little girlie. Oh yes. Cheer up all the way. Yes. Cheer up, oh yeah. Every day, yes, every day. In every way, yes. Oh, yeah. Yes, oh yes. Every day, oh, cheer up in your way. Yes, me friend, them set me free again. Yes, me friend, me dip on street again. The bars could not hold me, force could not control me now. They tried to keep me down, but God put me around. Yes, I've been accused, wrongly abused now, but through the powers of the Most High, they got to turn me loose. Don't try to hold me up on this bridge now. I've got to reach Mount Zion, highest ridge, y'all. If you are bullbucker, let me tell you that I'm a dopey conqueror. Yes, me friend, me good friend, them set me free again. Yes, me friend, them turn me loose again. Oh yeah. Breaking down the barriers that separates you and I. They seem so hard at times, but we can make it if we try. Collectively we are one, with the same job to do. Individually we must respect the next man's point of view.
galande. City hypocrites them a galande. City hypocrites them a galande. And go. Cut against them one another. Cut against them one another. Oh, them teach to love one another. Oh, them teach to love one another. Man, go. Them a run, come with them gravalicious. Them a run, come with them gravalicious. Them a run, come with them gravalicious. A run, come with them gravalicious. City hypocrites, them a galande. 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 Man, go.
Faint, covered with bruises from head to foot. You'll be your big man. Oh gosh, you'll be your big man. Unanointed and unbound. Said you had no abiding place. Oh, can't you see that you're leaving? Yet you're a healthy man. Oh gosh, I said you'll be your big man. Whoa. Oh, big man, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh. Oh, yeah. Couldn't take another day. Oh, gosh. No way. No. Never falsely accused. No man in this time now. If you do, you'll be weak and faint. Covered with bruises from head to foot. You'll be your big man. Whoa, a big man. Yeah.
See them fighting for power, but they know not the hour. So they bribing with their guns, spare parts, and money, trying to belittle our integrity now. They say what we know is just what they teach us, and we're so ignorant, 'cause every time they can reach us through political strategy, they keep us hungry. And when you're gonna get some food, your brother got to be your enemy. Well, ambush in the night, all guns aiming at me. Ambush in the night, they open fire on me now. Ambush in the night, protected by His Majesty. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, whoa. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, whoa. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Lord have mercy. So they fight, die. I saw them die. They persecute, die, and them feel it. How long must the wicked reign?
they persecute I and them feeling. How long must the wicked reign? How long will they put my doggone people to shame? Yeah, so they run come, so they carry come, so they bring come, so them tumble down. How long must the wicked reign? How long will they put my doggone people to shame? Oh, 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 oh. False rumor, false rumor, false rumor, oh, stay, false rumor, hey.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
So much trouble in the world. So much trouble in the world. Bless my eyes this morning. The sun is on the rise once again. We heard that things are going. Anything can happen. You see, men sailing on their ego trip. Blast off on their spaceship. Million miles from reality. No care for you, no care for me. So much trouble in the world. So much trouble in the world. All you gotta do, give a little, take a little, give a little, one more time. Yeah, 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 yeah. So you think you found that solution? Oh, it's just another illusion.
So before you check out this time,
Don't leave another cornerstone standing there behind. Yeah, we've got to face the day. Ooh, we come what may. We the street people talking. Yeah, we the people struggling. Now they're sitting on the time bomb. Now I know the time has come. What goes on up, it's coming on down. Goes around, it comes around. So much trouble in the world. So much trouble in the world.
No man is an island. No man stands alone.
Justice sound. They are businessman.
No man is an island. No man stands alone. Treat each man as a brother. And remember, each man's dream has your own. Now we need one another, oh yes, and we ought to try to be friends. Each man has a brother, and each man as a friend. You can't live in this world all by yourself. No, 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 you can't make it alone. And just as sure as you try to make it by yourself, you're gonna wake up and find you're gonna need somebody else. No man is an island, oh yes. No man stands alone. Treat each man as a brother, and remember, each man's dream has your own.
Buffalo soldier, dread like a rasta. It was a buffalo soldier in the heart of America, stolen from Africa, brought to America, fighting an arrival, fighting for survival. I mean it when I analyze the stench. To me it makes a lot of sense. How the dreadlock Rasta was a buffalo soldier, and he was taken from Africa, brought to America, fighting an arrival, fighting for survival. Said he was a buffalo soldier, dreadlock Rasta, buffalo soldier in the heart of America. If you know your history, then you would know where you're coming from. Then you wouldn't have to ask me, who the heck you would think I am? And just a buffalo soldier in the heart of America, stolen from Africa, brought to America. Said he was fighting on arrival, fighting for survival. Said he was a buffalo soldier in the war for America.
Oh, now I said, oh, now. See, you know, you know, you know, you know, you know. You know, you know, you know, you know, you know. No, yes, that I don't wanna be no general to end up in a funeral. I don't wanna be no general to achieve only a burial. Oh no.
Justice soul, they are business.
Oh, now I said, oh, now. See, you know, you know, you know, you know, you know. You know, you know, you know, you know, you know. No. general to end up in a funeral. I don't wanna be no general to achieve only a burial. Oh no, Lordy, Lordy, Lordy knows, yeah. Oh no, whoa, yeah, oh no. I said the race is not for the swift, but for who can endure it. The race is not for the swift, but for who can endure it. So you ride like lightning, you crash like thunder. Crash on there. Say you ride like lightning, you crash like thunder. Yeah. I said you know, you know, you know, you know, you know. I said you know, you know, you know, you know, you know. Yeah, said you know. Yeah, said you know. Oh, man, yeah. You know.
Check out the real situation. Nation war against nation. Where did it all begin? When will it end? Well, it seemed like
Total destruction, the only solution.
and there ain't no use. No one can stop them now. Ain't no use. Nobody
Nobody can stop them now.
give them an inch, they take 'em yard. Give them a yard, they take a mile. Once a man and twice a child, and everything is just for a while. It seemed like
Total destruction, the only solution.
and there ain't no use. No one can stop them now. There ain't no use. No
No
one.
one can stop them now.
There ain't no use. No one can stop them now. Ain't no use. No
No
one.
one can stop them now.
Checking the real situation.
Check it out, check it out.
Nation fight against a nation. Where did it all begin? Whoa, where will it end? Well, it seems like
Total destruction, the only solution.
no use. You can't stop them. Ain't no use. Ain't no use. Oh, baby, hold on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yet before dishonor, I could never betray my brothers. Yet before dishonor, I could never betray my color. No matter what the world's offer, enough respect to my brother. No matter what the world's offer, enough respect to my color. Go away and stay away. You ain't got no culture. Go away, stay away. You're acting like vulture.
Don't be sound. They are
Oh, baby, hold on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yet before dishonor, I could never betray my brothers. Yet before dishonor, I could never betray my color. No matter what the world's offer, enough respect to my brother. No matter what the world's offer, enough respect to my color. Go away and stay away. You ain't got no culture. Go away, stay away. You're acting like vulture. Go away, stay away. You're bound to the vulture. Go away, boy, yeah. Go away,
I could never betray my brother. Yet before dishonor, I could never betray my color. No matter what the world's offer, enough respect to my brother. No matter what the world's offer, enough respect to my color. Go away and stay away. You ain't got no culture. Go away, stay away. You're acting like vulture. Go away, stay away. You're bound to the vulture. Go away, boy, yeah. Go away, whoa, 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 whoa. Go away. Turn it up, turn it up. Ooh-wee. Go away, whoa, whoa. Remember what the Father said. Seek, oh well, before one of his words passed away. Yeah, oh well, the heaven and the earth I said. So start praying. The wicked will never get away. No, no way. Yeah, before dishonor, I could never betray my brother. Go away. Go away, yeah, yeah, yeah. Go away, stay away, really, 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 yeah. All pirates, yes, they rob I, sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Ooh, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption songs.
Justice sound. They are businessman.
Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Oh, have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop at the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Yes, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs. All I ever have, redemption songs. No cold hard cold-hearted fools.
Turn it up, turn it up.
No, you always had nothing to give. No, that's not the way one should live. You're living in your selfish world, and no matter if you're a boy or girl, no, cold-hearted fools. Well, can you tell me what you've been fighting for? Is it material things or a necessary tribal war? Yeah, it's time for all these things be put to an end, and make one and all be friends. Oh yeah, whoa, cold-hearted fool. Oh no, yeah. The sun will shine for you today, so it's best for you to pick up your Bible and pray. Cold-hearted fools. Oh yes, forget about them tools. Oh Lord, cold-hearted fools. Oh, cold-hearted fools. Well,
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
Why boasted thyself, O evil man? Playing smart and not being clever. I said you're working iniquity to achieve vanity. But the goodness of Jaja I endureth forever. So if you want the victory, we are the small axe, ready to cut you down, to cut you down. These are the words of my master. Keep on telling me, no weak out shall prosper, and whosoever diggeth a pit shall fall in it, fall in it, and whosoever diggeth a pit shall fall in it, fall in it. If you want a victory, let me tell you that we are the small axe, sharp and ready, ready to cut you down, to cut you down.
The earth is the Lord, and the fullness thereof. The world and they that dwell therein. Wow, alright. Oh, brotherly. Oh, brotherly. Unite.
Just this sound. They are this man.
Justice, them dead when we bust this. Aye.
There's a natural mystic flowing through the air. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. This could be the first trumpet, might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer, many more will have to die. Don't ask me why. Things are not the way they used to be. I won't tell no lie. One and all got to face reality now. Though I try to find the answer to all the questions they ask, though I know it's impossible to go living through the past. Don't tell no lie. There's a natural mystic flowing through the air.
Justice, I'm telling you, the big son.
They keep them down. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. That's a natural mystic flowing through the air. It's the Armageddon taking place in the iration, It's the Armageddon taking place in the iration. In the beginning there was but one concept, and that's the concept of life. Then arose upon the young people, claiming that it's you and I. And from that day on, there is trouble in the world. From that day on, trouble in the world. We've got wars and rumors of war. Nations rising up against nations in this world. It's the Armageddon taking place in the iration, It's the Armageddon taking place in the iration. Light fighting against darkness, righteousness against evil, right battling against wrong. Here comes bondage, struggling for freedom. But our patience, I hide in our patience.
the call of redemption. It says, blessed are the poor, they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are the meek, for they shall have new birth. They that hunger and thirst after righteousness, them alone.
The table is turned. Catch your fire, so you can get burned. Say private.
must acquire the higher knowledge of life. Black men and black women, will you get the knowledge that the white man has that causes him to be leaders and masters in the world? They are not gods with a peculiar source for understanding the world around them. They have only given expression to the knowledge of their humanity and been able to use and conquer all to their satisfaction and glory. Your feet are not put on opposite sides, now your hands turned around the other way. But it's because you fail to use your will, your knowledge and your mental faculty to the point where you will enjoy life around you. I'm only here and not in the gutters and in the pond of despair because I use my intelligence. And I swear that no man alive shall ever use his intelligence in understanding the works of nature more than I. I shall rise as high as he ascends. I shall meet him on the same platform of mental equality and fight him till thy kingdom come, because nature created us equal. I'm able to gather you here because I understand you. Understand your neighbor, your wife, your children, and you will be able to live in harmony with each other and get the best out of life. We are trying to awaken you to the true consciousness of yourselves. But the black man went back to sleep and is still sleeping. I've been in your presence and my heart bleeds for you, the conduct you reflect. I've listened to your dirty language used to express yourselves when you could have expressed yourselves in good form. Can I appeal to the black manhood to turn over a new leaf? I'm ashamed of my black manhood, and what I've said to the black man, I also said to the black women. Your conduct is disgraceful. Young women whose personality spells respectability, at the least provocation, the filthy words they utter would almost make you turn and run away from them. A race that cannot conduct itself any better than that is bound to go down in defeat, is bound to go down in death, in hell, and in degradation. Your conduct is going to destroy you. You're driving your best friends away from you. Men will not respect you because you do not respect yourself. As I come in contact with my race from both a financial and social point of view, I realize how weak we are in the essentials that make for success. You are your worst enemy. The black man goes into business and tries to do the right thing, but what do we find? He gets no support from his fellow man. They lie on him, they rob him, and the next thing you hear, he's out of business, pulled down by you, his brothers. We have no faith and are dishonest to each other.
Justice, them dead when we bust this.
I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot no deputy. Oh no, oh. I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot no deputy. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yeah, all around in my hometown, they're trying to track me down. Yeah, they say they want to bring me in guilty for the killing of a deputy, for the life of a deputy. Well, I say
I be your friend for life? Ooh, yeah. You know that I'll always want to be by your side. Ooh, yes. Say to give me joy and happiness, and I feel good all over. Love and happiness, let us be like witches and clover. And all I ever wanted to do is be with you. Ooh, yes. With all the riches and luxuries, none will do. Ooh, yes. I'm saying that this is no disrespect, because I'm falling in love with you. It is no disrespect. What's come over you? Why can't I be your friend for life? Ooh, yes. Hey, tell me how can I go on and not be in love with you? Ooh, yes. Look here. See, now God gave the word, and then the word took on to itself flesh. He made the birds, he created the wind, and he made the firmament. Yeah, he created the fishes in the sea, the birds and the honeybee. And he created you especially for me. Tell me, why can't I be your friend for life? Ooh, yes. You know that I'll always wanna be by your side. Ooh, yes. By your side.
I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. From the very first time I place my eyes on you, girl, my heart says follow through. But I know now that I'm way down on your line. But the waiting feel is fine. So don't treat me like a puppet on a string, 'cause I know how to do my thing. Don't talk to me as if you think I'm dumb. I wanna know when you're gonna come. See, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. 'Cause it's summer is here, I'm still waiting there. Winter is here, and I'm still waiting there.
a minstrel, but my song to you I sing. Though just a minstrel, and life was so far apart. Royal Queen, I see love in your eyes. Your eyes, I love you too. Oh, Your Majesty, I love you too. Oh man, Your Majesty. Could you be loved and be loved?
Oh, Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh, Jah, for you I sing this song. Let the earth rejoice, multitudes be glad. Clouds and darkness surround him. Righteousness and justice is the foundations of his throne. A fire goes before him and burn all his enemies. Oh, Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh, Jah, for you I sing this song. To whom vengeance belongs. Oh, Jah, for you I sing this song. His lightning lights the world. The earth sees and tremble. Mountain melt like wax of the presence of Jah. He's the King of kings and the Lord of lords, the conquering lion. Oh, Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh, Jah, for you I sing this song. To whom vengeance belongs. Oh, Jah, for you I sing this song. No one can tell me Marcus Garvey dead. No man, no man, no man, no man.
They are businessman.
No one can tell me Marcus Garvey dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No one can tell me Emmanuel dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No one can tell me King Selassie dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No one can take them out of my head. No man, no man, no man, no man. Sure, flesh and gone, but the spirits live on. As I was walking my sense, meditating on the Almighty, then in a whirlwind, Marcus came blowing in to join me in a deep conversation. It's so sad to see Babylon kingdom and the downfall. Black man still don't know themselves. Now their back is against the wall. No man can tell me Marcus Garvey dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me Emmanuel dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me King Selassie dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can take them out of my head. No man, no man, no man, no man. Their voices are louder today than how it was yesterday. Then I saw the rainbow, and I already know. He's the first blood price for the Moses, Prince Emmanuel, Melchizedek the seventh. No one can tell me Marcus Garvey dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No one can tell me Emmanuel dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No one can tell me Marcus Garvey dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No one can tell me Emmanuel dead. No man, no man, no man, no man.
I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on blessing you. I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on guiding you.
Life is full of illusion, lots of confusion. The simplest thing makes a man wanna draw for his gun. But I hope you live to tell the story. Without God there is no glory. Once you gonna stand up or you gonna run? Ain't nothing to it, you just got to do it. But before you do the crime, I would suggest you think about the time. Life move forward and it cannot rewind. Woo!
But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on blessing you. But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on guiding you.
It is what it is. Life ain't easy. Living can be a crime when you are hungry. But I know I'll be back again. Back again. I know I'll rise again. Rise again. I know there will be joy again. Joy again. The sun will rise once again. Once again. But this time I'll be wiser. Wiser. This time I'll be stronger. Stronger. Can't trust no one. Jah is my only friend. Woo! I'm gonna chant the psalms a day. Chase the wicked away. Time to rise to my destiny.
But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on blessing you.
Justice song. They are businessman.
No matter what you go through, may God keep on guiding you.
Life is full of illusion, lots of confusion. The simplest thing makes a man wanna draw for his gun. But I hope you live to tell your story. Without us there is no glory. Once you live and once you die.
Justice. Them dead when we bust this. Ah.